Hello, PhD aspirants. As promised, I'm here again. This is Dr. Jagriti Mishra on the channel Prof Speaks. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Uh, Today's topic is how do I define a problem, or how do I write the problem definition in a research proposal? So, what actually is a problem? As per theory, as written by various authors, there could be two different types of research. So, first would be a problem solving research where there is an actual problem at hand. Suppose there is a store and the sales are dipping from the past 6 months, and you want to find out why the sales are dipping. Now, there is an actual problem at hand, that is decline in sales of store X. And what is the topic that we are researching? We are trying to find out various reasons why the store sales are dipping for the last 6 months, right? So this would be termed as a problem solving study. The second study, which can actually happen where an actual problem may not exist, would be a problem identification research. For example, I'm an established store and I want to open up new outlets. I want to expand my business. So there's no actual problem at hand, but at the same time, I want to see where can I expand? Where can I increase my market size? Which are the territories? Where can I go? Where's the growth potential actually? So no actual problem at hand. Nothing is going wrong. But in order to make something right, I need to conduct a study. So no actual problem at hand, nothing which is visible, but yes, there could be a latent problem if we do not act upon the situation. If we do not expand, if we do not open up new stores, if we do not enter into new domains, then someone else will, and we will lose on the market share. So in that case, we need to be proactive. So latent difficulties may arise. So in that case, we go for a problem identification research. So there are two types of studies, a problem solving research and a problem identification research. So before writing a problem definition, we must be very clear about our topic. What is it that we want to achieve? Do we want to solve a problem? Do we want to actually identify a problem? So in a problem statement, usually uh, in a PhD research, we go for around 7 to 8 sentences, which precisely describe what is it that we want to do, why is it that we want to do it, and how would we go ahead with it. So we basically describe the problem at hand. Say, for example, I want to study the impact of AI implementation in retail. Now, AI is being implemented in various areas of retail experience. There are consumers of different age groups. There are consumers who are Generation Z, who are very, very receptive to technology. There are millennials, and there's Gen X, and there are elderly consumers who are not very much comfortable with the technology. So the problem at hand in this case is finding out how each of these age groups is behaving differently. So we would definitely try to create a background around the same. We would try to establish the same through various research papers. So whatever we are thinking, is it backed by some data sources? And how do I present it in an effective manner? Right. So that is how I would be able to write a problem definition. So in a problem definition, I would like to do a recap. We need to describe what is the type of study we are going for, and according to that, we decide on the approach. We try to find out a problem that is relevant, that is recent. We try to back it up with research data. So that would be all from my end on problem definition. Thank you so much.